Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. I'm Nigel Croft and it's Friday the 7th of July. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on the gold price. Over the last week the price has drifted, but really it still looks okay. We're coming back to support, and on the daily we're in the middle of the uptrend, and I'd expect the supports to hold. So here we are on the daily. Sorry about the delay there, and you can see that we have drifted this last week. We're coming back to the support of the 20-day. That's at 261.75, and I see nothing to indicate that that won't hold as we pull back. The RSI still indicative of positive momentum. It's 55.49, and the MACD, although they're back together, are still moving up above the zero. You can see that the longer term downtrend that we were in has been broken and to the upside, and now we're in an uptrend. We're getting this pattern of higher highs and higher lows, and really we're kind of mid-trend in that uptrend channel. Probably the mid-trend is just above the 20-day moving average, so on the daily still looks okay. On the weekly, you can see the break in the trend, which was good. We've now drifted back below the 200-day, the red line, which is moving down, so it's a negative influence on the market. Provided we stay above the 20-day for another week or two, that will turn around to be the positive factor, and hopefully will give us support to push the copper price higher. RSI on this weekly is at 54.59 and is bumbling along in a very shallow uptrend. MACD also moved back up, indicating that there is still some positive momentum on the weekly picture. On the short term, the 4 hour, here we have lost momentum. The RSI is in a downtrend and is at 41.72, and the MACD are tracking down below zero. So a loss of upside momentum on this chart. Also, the moving averages didn't give much support or any support, which was a slight concern. So just keep watching this. Hopefully there is support below 262, and hopefully that will hold. On the support to resistance levels, resistance at 270 from the 30th of June and marginally above there from the 30th of March, with support at the 20-day 261.75 and 258 from the 50-day. That's been TA for Traders, having a look at the copper price on the 7th of July. Just to clarify the key points, on this slide I've actually got the wrong heading. It's not US dollar, Japanese yen. That was from my last video. This is the copper price. Still looks okay. It's drifting back to support. There's a loss of short-term upside momentum, and the daily remains in the middle of its short-term uptrend. Sorry that we had the wrong heading on that slide. I just forgot to change it. But those headings, although the heading was wrong, the bullets were for the gold price. Thanks for watching this TA for Traders video on the 7th of July. I'm Nigel Croft. Please remember that these videos are for information only and should not be taken as investment advice. Thank you.